Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. Today is 7th of December 2022. And as always, first agenda point would be introductions, but there are no new participants in the meeting, so we can skip that. And then as usual, if you are watching the recording and you feel that your organization could benefit from joining as an adopter, then you can push a PR and modify the adopters.md in the Metal3 blocks, and you can add your organization as an official adopter. We would be very happy to receive new adopters. And then there are two reminders. As always, there is one coming from Kashif. It's still the old BMO guidelines. I see that the discussion here has kind of slowed down. So please, if you are watching the recording and you have approval rights, please get in touch with Kashif in the PR, and the same goes for the Golang upgrade for the BMO. And then there is one agenda point for Leonard. So Leonard, please explain to us what it is.
Yeah, all right. I just wanted to point out this pull request we got. It's from Andrew Stengel. He wants to export some of the methods we have in the Capm3 E2E common file. So there we have some common utility functions that we use in many of the tests. And he has now a use case to also use this in some other projects, basically import this package and use them there. Yeah, the pull request should be pretty self-explanatory. It just exposes them, makes a package out of it that is public. I don't see an issue with it, but I thought it's good to spread knowledge about it. And if someone has issues with this, please raise your voice, comment on the pull request. Otherwise, approval and passing tests is still needed for this.
Yeah, thanks. I think it would be Mohammed who is also familiar with this topic. So if you have time, please check this. I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm following that, and I was just forget that everything was exported. Not sure if some of our function might be just like for some internal use, but as Leonard said at the beginning, it might depend on the use case, and not quite sure about like the use case that needed for this method. So I will check the PR and probably comment there.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I think you two are the most familiar with this. So if you say it's fine, or Mohammed says that few of these methods should not be exposed, then you can recommend this. But I think it's a good addition. I mean, why not? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I have a question here for Leonard. You said you have went through that. I was going through that and I see it just changed of those function name, most of the files, and he added a go mode file inside test directory.
Yeah. So adding the go mode file there makes it possible to use like this, just the E2E package from the Capm3, similar to how we also import the framework from Capi, like it becomes a sub package, and then it changes the names because he needs to expose them so we can actually use them then when importing, and then they need to be capital letter first. So otherwise, it would be counted as private method.
Yeah. Okay. And then I see the main go mode file has some changes.
Yeah,
Is
I
it normal?
think that yeah, my understanding was that this since he added now the Go mode inside the E2E directory, then some of those imports in the root Go mode was not needed anymore because they were only added in the root because of the E2E. So they are sort of moved there.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Sorry.
Okay.
By the way, it was failing the E2E.
Yeah, I think there was actually, he will need to fix something there. I just checked now the error, and I think there is something with the sub package. Actually, it needs something more to be fully working.
It's interesting. I wonder what they are building on top of CapM3, where they would need this. What sort of test they are running. But anyways, thanks. I get the gist of it, what's going on. Okay, so if you think it's fine, then let the contributor work. Is there anything else that we want to discuss? Any suggestions, problems, improvements, questions? Anything? I think if not, then we started a bit later today, so that's all. Thank you for your time, and we will see each other next week. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye bye.